Hi everyone, Christy here with MyMamaTaughtMe.com. Now couponing at Tops Facebook. This is my first live on this new Facebook page dedicated to deals only at Tops Markets grocery store. So this week we have dollar doublers, so I wanted to go over them and share with you guys what they are, how to use them, and a couple of the deals that are going on this week. So as we have people tune in, feel free to ask questions and I will answer them as we go. Sometimes I do forget to mention some things, since how I'm so familiar with doing things, I tend to forget. So first up, we're going to talk about what the dollar doublers are. So in your store ad for Tops, you will find them and they look like this. There will be 4 in each ad. Now in order to use these are store coupons, so in order to use them, you have to have a minimum of $20 for your purchase. Now, that is total to use all 4 of these. You don't need $20 for each coupon. It's just $20 to use 4, and you can use no more than 4 in one transaction. If you want to use more, you'll have to cash out and then do another order. Tops does state that they'll limit you to 1 of these orders, but some will let you do more than 1 transaction. That's up to your guys' store and for you to figure out whether or not they allow you to do it back to back. Some people's stores are nice and you can cash out, self-checkout, and you can do more than 1 transaction. But that's where you're really going to maximize your savings, is doing more than 1 order and using these this week as much as you can. So what these are, they're an extra $1 off your order. So essentially $4 extra. In order to use them, you have to have a dollar value coupon. So that's any, I know these are backwards, but it's any dollar off. So it could be $1 off 1, $1 off 2, $1 off 3. They cannot be used in conjunction with $2 off or 50-cent off 1. In general, Tops 99 cents and less double anyway. You don't need a doubler to double those coupons. Those automatically double at Tops. So this is, in order to do the $20 minimum spend, that's going to be before manufacturer coupons. I always tell people that manufacturer coupons are a form of payment, so think of that as cash at end. Don't add that into your $20. So you do want to have it after the sales, so it's going to be after all the sales, and that includes the buy one get one frees and any store coupons. So, you know, if you have any of these coupons or any other store coupons, you're going to want to take that into effect for your total. Then also, I just had it, I lost it. Just give me a second. I forgot the other one. It'll come to me. I'm trying to think of the commonly asked questions about them. I had it and I lost it. Oh, that's what I want to say. The digital coupons. We do have digital coupons. They state on here that you cannot combine these with the digital coupons. Yeah, e-coupons. Not available with e-coupons. So that doesn't mean, we have tried this, it doesn't mean that you can't use them with your paper manufacturer's coupons. You can totally use 4 of these and then 4 of your paper manufacturer's coupons, and then also use digital coupons. It's just stating that you can't pair these up with a digital coupon. So we have done that in the past too, and that has worked out well. So if you got the paper yesterday, we had 5 coupon inserts, you guys. So this is the perfect time. I think I have them right. Yep. So we had 5 coupon inserts. So it's a perfect time to start shopping at Tops if you have not. Super easy. You can find these coupons in the store, in the ads. You're going to want to pick those up sooner than later. They tend to disappear later on in the week. So plan accordingly. Try not to take too many, to leave some for other people. If you know you're not going to, if you know exactly how many you're going to need. try to plan accordingly. So, for example, this week, I think I already cut all mine out. This week at Tops, I have unadvertised, we have the Stonyfield yogurt. There was a printable for $1 off one. Come on. $1 off one. So these are $3.99. You pair this with the $1 off one and then a $1 doubler with your $20 minimal purchase. So you're going to buy other things too, so you can use those coupons. You're going to pay $1.99 for the pack of yogurt. So I hope that makes sense. Just trying to think. If you do have a problem, sometimes some weeks the $1 doublers beep. Cashiers try to tell you you don't have enough, not enough, you know, your coupons brought your total down. That's not true. So hopefully you can try to inform them that manufacturer's coupons the store gets reimbursed for those. So that is not what they mean on the coupon when it says after all discounts. They're talking about store discounts. Coupons, manufacturer's coupons are not a discount. So, I think I basically covered everything. I wanted to, I don't know if I have, I'm trying to think of the insert coupon here. So the point of using these though, we have the $1 doublers list for items that you compare the $1 coupons up with. They're on the Couponing at Tops website. Hey, don't eat that. Get down. And we also have a list of freebies or cheap items. Now that freebies or cheap items are going to be items that you use coupons with to get super cheap. So that way you, the point is to get your order to 20, but use as many coupons as possible to get your order low. So, you know, good items like the Hershey's candy bars, those are cheap. The fruit, the Del Monte fruit, we have a high value printable, 75 cents off one doubles. That's going to make them only $1 for your fruit. There's a few more things too. This week, there's the free toothpaste if you use the $1 doublers and stuff like that. So we have a ton of deals going on. I still have more actually to add. So if you guys have any questions at all, I'm going to be sharing this in my Couponing at Tops group as well. Many of you came from there and are following. So I know a lot of people get overwhelmed with couponing. It doesn't need to be that difficult. I'm here to help you guys. Feel free to ask questions. Everybody in the group is so wonderful, so eager to help out and help everybody. So it's really great. We have a wonderful community, and I hope that you guys jump in and get these savings, because $1 Doubler Week is the most popular week to shop at Tops. Everybody shops and stocks up. Don't be scared, you guys. You can totally do this. Hey, Amanda. So, again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. And if you are catching this video after I'm live, I will definitely answer any questions if I happen to miss something or you need something explained more. I'm totally here to help you guys, okay? So I will link a couple things for you below to help you. I have tips on getting, what is it called? I have a couple things that I did. The best known tips to shopping at $1 Doubler Week. We have all about prepping and preparing for $1 Doubler Week. I'll link that below. It goes over my process of how I get my coupons out, how I organize them, and what I do to shop, as well as a free printable to organize and help you guys out for your list, so you can write down your stuff and organize your coupons. I also created last time around the $1 Doubler shopping list. It's very more in-depth. It has your Catalinas in there and your Savings Star and Ibotta and Checkout 51, and the freebie list I have as well. So we have tons of stuff to help you guys try to stay organized and learn all about how to use these $1 doublers this week. So I hope you guys are going to prepare and get a lot of savings this week. So just let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys online. Bye.